all, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another informative video on Google Sheets, but this time we will be specifically talking about a particular tool which is present there in the toolbar, that is borders. And let's go ahead without wasting any of your precious time. So I feel first of all border is so important because that is how makes your entire data look so sophisticated, and you can just highlight the keyword by adding a border into it. That is so interesting, isn't it? So let's begin. You see there is a Google spreadsheet in front of you. Now these are cells. I have a data segregated, name, roll number, phone number that you see. Now I want to highlight this data, adding a border to it. So to add a border, first I'm gonna select the cells that I want to add a border to. I will click the border tool in the toolbar. I see a menu of the option. Then to add a border, I simply click on the border. So when I click on a border, I do see there is the option of color. I can add a border color to it if I want to make it more presentable. And definitely I can play around with the inner horizontal line, and because of the option of border style that I'm pressing again and again to check what particular options I am available with. So this is how it looks like. And in case if I wish I do not want to proceed with the border line or anything, just next to the border style I do have an option where I can simply clear the border line. So for that, just select the cells back again and just click on the border clear line option, and that is how you can play around with the border tool. Hope you find this video informative. So do like, share, subscribe, stay tuned with our channel. Bye bye.